Lyle, and welcome to Deal or No Deal, the DVD game. I'm standing inside a vault surrounded by 26 cases, holding 26 random amounts of money, ranging from 1 penny to a cool $1 million. Now you have the opportunity to play America's most popular decision-making game in your own home. It'll take some wit, nerves of steel, and a lot of luck. Now, there's no trivia questions. There's no crazy stunts. The only thing standing between you and large amounts of money is one question. And that one question is, deal or no deal?